Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Judee Flavors. Today I've got a super exciting treat for you and your little ones. We're whipping up the easiest dessert you'll ever make at home. It's quick, simple, and oh so delicious. Perfect for kids aged 5 to 12, but trust me, everyone will love it. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, 1 cup of fresh fruit, like berries or sliced bananas, a handful of granola. Got everything? Awesome! Now let's get mixing. Start by grabbing a big mixing bowl. Pour in the yogurt. I like to use plain yogurt, but you can use any flavor your kids love. Next, add the honey or maple syrup. This is where the sweetness comes in. Mix it well until it's nice and smooth. Now, it's time for the fun part, adding the fruit. You can let the kids choose their favorite fruits. Berries, bananas, or even mangoes work great. Toss them into the yogurt mixture and gently fold them in. Make sure every bite has a bit of fruit goodness. Finally, sprinkle the granola on top. This adds a delightful crunch that kids love. And there you have it. A simple, delicious dessert that's ready in minutes. But wait, there's more. You can get creative with this recipe. Try adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few chocolate chips. Or, for a fun twist, freeze the mixture in popsicle molds for a refreshing treat on a hot day. Let's talk about why this dessert is a winner. Firstly, it's packed with nutrients. Yogurt is full of protein and calcium, while the fruits add vitamins and fiber. Plus, the granola brings in some whole grains. It's a treat you can feel good about serving to your family. Secondly, it's a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen. They'll love mixing and choosing their own fruit combinations. It's a fun, hands-on activity that also teaches them about healthy eating. And lastly, it's quick and easy. Perfect for busy parents who want to whip up something tasty without spending hours in the kitchen. All right, parents, it's time to give this dessert a try. I promise, it'll be a hit with your kids and a new family favorite. Thanks for joining me today on Judee Flavors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone! Bye for now.